Logan Paul's prime drink to see how it will run on primes.
Like a prime like this. So this is us all pouring the prime in, getting ready for this video.
So what we're gonna do is have a little experiment, and we all have our times here of how long we think the engine's gonna last before it just dead. All right, we're running it till it's dead, but it'll save you. But
that's fine.
She likes her electrolytes.
Post in the comments what you guys think.
So let's get into it.
Why did you have to do that so close? I didn't want to wear it. You want to throw another one in? Throw another one in. So we gotta do the math, Nathan. You got 2. Wait. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, we'll check it now.
Check it how? You think it's gonna show up on the dipstick?
Yeah, something will. That's a little bit what I was scared of too, but.
What do you say?
Hydrolock.
What's that mean? It just locks up?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, it started! It freaking started! It got fine. It actually started.
Oh, it's slowing down a bit.
No, that's the idle because it cooled off then.
Well, it's at like 2 minutes right now.
Oh yeah, it's definitely past 3 minutes.
Yeah, whatever that is.
We're past off.
There's no way we're already at 7 minutes.
Oh, I smell something 50 seconds.
So like 3 minutes and 10 seconds. 20 seconds.
We're about 40 or 50 minutes from putting prime in this car, and it's still running, and we finally think we're seeing a misfire. If you see, it's very smoky now. It's very smoky, and it's starting to smell a little fruity, so.
See how it kind of sounds cammed?
Say again?
It kind of sounds cammed. Like when
What's
you
that mean?
When you put a cam in like a V8 and it sounds lumpy at idle.
Oh, yeah?
Okay, I think it's starting to misfire finally.
I think so too. I hear that. But it's still running.
So, yeah, it was. So it's been sitting about an hour now, but we're gonna cut this out. It's starting to smell like eggs right now. I don't know what's going on, but it's smelling pretty bad. It can't be good to breathe in, so we're gonna turn this off.
Well, it's just boiling.
What?
I think this stuff was, or the prime is literally boiling.
And it smells like eggs?
Look, the dipstick is wet all the way up. But remember, we didn't have any oil in it, really. It was all water.
Who's right, Rick?
Nobody.
I wasn't right. I had 3 minutes. I thought it was just gonna die. Austin's wrong. Forrest was, Rick was 6:20. And then the closest was Forrest at 7 minutes.
But it was really 5 times that. Still going.
Yeah.
So. Everyone wrong.
So we're all wrong, and I guess your car could run off prime. So next time you guys run out of oil, or you're thinking about doing an oil change, replace your car oil with prime. And this is something we do not recommend.
Just recommended it.
Then I unrecommended it. So now we still have a car, and it's still alive, and we need to destroy it or do something crazy. So what do you guys think we should try with this car? What do we think we should run it on? Do you have any options, or?
No. I want to see what the comments say.
Yeah? Alright, so what we'll do is we'll just, you guys put down in the comments, and whatever comment has the most likes by the community, we'll start doing that to this car. So yeah, catch you guys in the next video. Hope you guys liked it. Bye.
Bye.